Today we are going to discover your unique voice type, that special range that makes your voice sound unique, that makes your voice sound easy, natural and powerful. By the end of this video, you're going to know if you're a soprano, alto, tenor or bass. And we're going to know how to sing a song that fits your voice perfectly. Now let's begin. Your voice type isn't just about how high or low you can go. It's about a mix of things. Your voice range, your voice weight, and also what we call tessitura. That is the area where your voice feels much more relaxed and natural. So don't just chase high notes. Finding your true voice type means finding the area where your voice feels more at home. Now let's test your range. You can do that by using a piano app or a keyboard online. You're going to start from a low note, hum comfortably until you can't go any lower. Then, after that, you're going to go up little by little using the R or the E. You're going to go up higher and higher until you can't go any higher. Now, this is what you're going to do. Now, when you take note of the path where you can't go any lower, you take note of it, you write it down. Then, when you take note of the place where you can't go higher, you also what? You take it down. You don't scream, you don't force. Just take note of where you are comfortable and where you can no longer go higher or lower. For instance, let's say your lowest note is A3, you write it down. Let's say your highest note is C5, you write it down, just like that. Now here's a quick guide. For soprano singers, C4 to A5 is where their voice feels more comfortable. C4 to A5. For mezzo-soprano, we have A3 to F5. For alto, we have F3 to D5. That's for women. Now for the men, the tenor singers, we have C3 to A4. For the baritone singers, we have G2 to E4. G2 to E4. Then for the bass, we have E2 to C4. So take note, where does your voice sound more comfortable? Then pick your voice type. Now pick a short song or a scale. Take note, does your voice sound bright and light, or does it sound dark and heavy? Now this goes a long way to tell your voice type. For example, a light or an airy voice can most likely be a soprano or a tenor, while a deep and rich tone will probably be a baritone or an alto voice. So take note, which one does your voice really belong to? Now, after finding your voice type, we're going to try it using songs. Now, you're going to try out songs that fit your voice type. Now, if you're a soprano singer, you can try Hello by Beyonce. H-A-L-O, Hello by Beyonce. If you are a mezzo soprano, you can try Someone Like You by Adele. Then if you're an alto, you can try No Time to Die by Billie Eilish. Then if you're a tenor, you can try Stay With Me by Sam Smith. Then if you're a baritone, you can try Perfect by Ed Sheeran. And then bass, you can try Can't Help Falling in Love by Elvis Presley. Now this is what you're going to do. You are going to try to sing along. Now whichever feels more comfortable for you is your voice type, and those are the kinds of songs that you should keep singing. Your voice might still be developing, especially if you are new to singing. So it's totally okay if your voice doesn't fit into one box yet, because some singers truly are a mix. Yes, they can either be a soprano, a mezzo-soprano, they can be a mix. They might not fit into just one category. So it's totally okay. Now what matters most is comfort, clarity, and expression. Now that you've discovered your voice type, let me know in the comment section. What did you find? Are you a soprano singer, an alto, a bass, a tenor? Which category do you fall on? Then let me know, are you a mix? Or is it that you want to increase your vocal range? You want to know how to improve your particular voice type? Then you can let me know in the comment section. You can type yes RJ and I'll know exactly what to do. Now, if you know you've not hit that subscribe button, please do well to do so. Like, comment, and share. To the next video. Bye bye.